In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Virgin Money customer support using phone, chat, and email. Whether you're facing an issue with your account or simply have a question, understanding how to get in touch with customer support can be crucial. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring that you can easily reach out to Virgin Money whenever you need to. First and foremost, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Virgin Money UK website. Once you're on the home page, scan through the page content until you get to the bottom of the page. This is a common place where companies often put useful contact information. Here you should spot a link labeled Contact Us. Give it a click. This will direct you to a dedicated contact page with more detailed options. On this contact page, a bit of scrolling will reveal various categories, each corresponding to different topics you might want to discuss. These categories cover a wide array of services, including savings, credit cards, current accounts, as well as business-related inquiries, mortgages, investments, and loans. You'll also find help for insurance, pensions, and even assistance with internet and app banking. Select the category that best fits your needs, and you will be taken to a new web page providing the relevant contact details, including phone numbers and available times to call. If your concern is so significant that you need to lodge a complaint, you can scroll further down on the contact page and click on the Make a Complaint link. This ensures that your concerns are formally recognized and addressed. For those who prefer using the phone, there is an option to find additional phone numbers. Click on the plus phone numbers link. It will take you to a section with specific phone contacts catered to mortgages, Virgin Money credit cards, Virgin Atlantic credit cards, investments, pensions, and other services such as business accounts, savings, insurance, and loans. In the unfortunate event that you suspect fraudulent activities, Virgin Money makes it straightforward to report such issues. Locate the Report Fraud link on the same contact page. Once there, a quick scroll will reveal an option named Get Help Now. Clicking on this provides further guidance, and if you continue to scroll, you'll find an email address specifically for reporting suspicious emails. For more immediate assistance, Virgin Money's digital assistant, affectionately named Ready, is available to chat with you around the clock 24/7. This live chat feature is accessible through their app or support site, offering a convenient and quick way to get answers. By following these steps, you'll have all the necessary tools to effectively communicate with Virgin Money's customer support team, ensuring your concerns are quickly and efficiently addressed. Thanks for watching, and I hope these instructions help you get the support you need.